All right, team, let's secure the perimeter first. Copy that. Setting up barriers now. Engineers, check the fuselage stability near the engine mount. Keep pushing. Got it. Watch the route. All right, sweep that debris here. Cut that piece out. Heavy bag, be careful. Let's clear this aisle, team. Keep pushing it back. That's the correct angle. All right, lowering the bucket now. Place those supports right under the wing spars. Secure them tightly. On it, boss. Keep it steady. Don't rush. Keep it steady. This section is thick. Got it. Watch for the rust. Almost clear on this spot. Keep it steady. The rust here is tough. Got it. Watch the recoil. Move closer to the window. Almost clear now.
Keep the pressure steady on the tail. Hoses ready on the engines. Getting the shot of the clean nacelle now.
I think this section needs another pass with the polish. Agreed, there's a slight blemish near the wing root. We'll schedule it for tomorrow.
Keep your passes even.
Looks good, moving down.
Check the tail section.
The base coat is complete. Exceptional shine, it's perfect. Looks ready for detailing.
I found another spot here. Right, lights on it. Looks like it needs a polish. All right, let's secure that access panel.
Ready for the final inspection on the tail. Machinery is on standby, looks good to go. Keep it steady, watch the metal buckling. Ready to cut in 3, 2, 1. Sparks are flying.
All right, slowly down. Adjust it slightly left. Watch your hands, hold it steady. Just a little more, we've got it. Keep it steady there. Almost done with this section. Looks good, pass the wrench.
Keep it smooth along the edge. Checking the finish here. Looking good.
The depth here isn't matching the schematics. We need to take out another foot. Ensure stability before the pour. The beam is almost in place. Ensure the alignment is perfect with the rebar. Copy that. Moving it now. Let's verify the angles on the blueprint. Keep it moving. Watch the rebar there. A little more over here. Over here. Okay, vibrate it down. Watch your step in the mud. Keep it even on that edge. Got it. Just need to smooth this corner here. The restoration is complete. It's truly a marvel.
The plane is secure, ready for the next phase. It's a remarkable transformation, just as planned. Truly a masterpiece in the heart of the jungle.
Keep it even on the seam. Looks good. Check the pressure. Looking good. Keep it steady. Almost done with this section. Keep working the edge. Looks good. Almost done here. Just need a final polish.
The oxidation here is extensive. It's worse than we thought. Look at the panel separation. I'm documenting the structural compromise now.
All right, team, let's keep moving. Watch that edge. Almost there, just a bit more room. Clear the center first. Mind your step here, watch the edges. Heavy on the right, push. Push. Almost done with this one.
Keep the grinder steady. Watch out for the edge.
The alignment looks good now. Okay, let me double check this section. Line it up with the mark. Got it. Looks perfect. Secure it. Let's get this corner lined up perfectly. Needs to be tight against the edge. Grab the drill, make sure it's secure. The measurements look good. Bring it down slowly now. Watch the wiring on the right. Verified fit, power up. I'm seeing a consistent reading on the circuit. Good, good. Let's start the power cycle on the right zone. Initiating now. The floor is prepped. Ready for the resin. Line it up with the pedal on the left. Almost there, push it down tight. Perfect, we're getting the perspective just right. The epoxy has settled perfectly here. Let me check this corner with the light. Outstanding work, the depth is incredible. Keep it even, character B. Copy that, character A. Looks good. Quality assurance passed. Keep it even, don't miss the edges.
Torch those bubbles near the center.
Looks perfect, almost done. It's absolutely perfect. Look at that finish. Unbelievable, we nailed it. Ready for the client. Excellent work, Mark. Thanks, Tom. It's perfect. The water level is looking good? Excellent. Excellent. Check the pressure one last time. Keep it steady. Watch the floor. Almost there. Here. Aligning the cushion? Cushion. Good, let's set it down. Almost there. Just a little more to the left. Perfect. What do you think, sir? Yes, it's coming together beautifully. Excellent work. Looks good. Perfect. Just needed a little adjustment. Ready for the reveal. All right, let's bring up the wall lights. Engaging the ceiling strips now. Perfect. Transitioning aquarium to daylight. Verified. Seamless integration. Systems online. Ready for reveal. Keep it steady there, smooth it out. Depth is good, check the other side. Keep it steady. Almost there, push it in. Make sure it's tight. All right, align this rod with the mark. Hold it steady right there. Does this match the specs, boss? Perfect, proceed with tying. The plumbing looks good, we're ready for inspection. Okay, I'll schedule it. Let's start securing the corner sections. The curve needs to match the blueprint perfectly. Okay, I've adjusted the supports here. Line it up with the manifold on the left. Okay, I've got the 6-inch section. 6-inch cement. Hand me the cement first. The plumbing and rebar are secure. We're ready. Excellent. Initiating the pour now. Moving it slowly. Get the edges. Okay, got it. Hold steady. Watch the rebar near the corner. Almost full. Spread it out. Keep it even. We're almost through this section. Move it over to the left. A little more pressure.
Structural precision is paramount here. The crew utilizes these heavy industrial screeds to level.
The level looks good here. We'll need to address this corner here. I've made a note of it. The rest of the shell is perfect. Measure twice, cut once. We need this section to match the curve perfectly. Checking the angle here. Looks good. Let's secure it now.
The emerald green tiles are a perfect match to the design.
Looks like we're right on schedule.
Let's align these carefully. The owner wants precision.
Line them up precisely with the pattern. Check the blueprint. We need the circular sections next. Verified, starting the curve here. The tiles look perfect. Exceptional job. Thank you, sir. We checked the symmetry. Keep leveling that soil. These stones look perfect here. Let's start with the palms. Watch your step with the plants. Keep the curve just like that. Got it. This red one goes here. Need some more soil down this end? Yes, coming. Connect this here. All right, just need to secure the casing. Power up the deck and the path. Perfect. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Clear that section over there. Careful with the paint. Almost done. Let's roll it out.